I'm Jeanette Lane, and I'm here with creative stamping editor Nikki Gilbert. Hello, Nikki.
Hi, Jeanette.
Happy summer.
Happy summer to you.
Keeping cool, trying to keep cool these very warm past few days.
Certainly has been.
But we're here to talk about the latest issue of Creative Stamping, which is issue 59, and it's very summery themed, so really looking forward to that. What can you tell us about the issue's gift?
Well, this issue's gift is a set of stamps called Summer Holiday, and it is a gift featuring a whole A4 sheet of stamps related to summertime. So we've got all our favourite activities: getting outside, getting to the beach, we've got caravan, we've got camping, we've got luggage, we've got sandcastles, we've got so many different stamps to be able to create a host of different summer themed cards for all occasions, not just for birthdays.
I also see some frozen treats, some goodies.
Ice cream. Absolutely needed to have ice cream. We have an ice cream van, we've got ice lollies, ice creams, and we've had some absolutely fantastic cards made by our design team on that theme.
Oh, wonderful. So what else can readers expect along with the gift?
Well, in the magazine this month, we've got 25 projects using the gift. So we really have showcased what you can do with the stamps, and I'm absolutely delighted with the range of projects that we've got in this month. We've got some fantastic 3D creations made with stamps.
So you brought some of the projects from the magazine, and we're surrounded by all these beautiful makes. And I see that you have the cover card.
I do have the cover card.
Can you tell us a little bit more about that?
Well, I don't think the photograph on the cover does this card justice.
It's so much, it's more different.
It's
like
live.
Seeing it in person.
Absolutely fantastic. It's a little pop-up box card, and our designer Mel Jess has done a fantastic job creating this layered card using all the different stamps from the seaside, from the summer holiday set. So this is a seaside themed card. Oh, I do like to be beside the seaside. It's fantastic, absolutely beautiful. I've got one more card that I'd really like to showcase. And again, it's Mel Jess, and although we've got photos in the magazine, when you make 3D pop-up cards, you really need to see them. So I'm really pleased we've got this opportunity on the video to do this, because we've talked about ice cream. Everybody loves an ice cream van. Open the card.
Oh
and
my
you've got an amazing,
That's fantastic.
amazing 3D pop-up inside the card. And Mel has also done a step-by-step guide in the magazine to show us how to do this, so you can bring your cards to life as well, which is really, really good.
That's so very helpful to have all those steps.
Really helpful. Yeah, we've got quite a few step-by-steps in the magazine this month, and obviously there's a step-by-step with the Masterclass as well, which is fabulous.
What can you tell us about the Masterclass?
Well, the Masterclass this month is just something that I absolutely love and would love to do more of, and it's emboss resist technique, and it's basically using your white embossing powder, laying it down first, stamping and using your embossing powder, and then going crazy with colour over it, and the results are so much fun. It's really, really good. Everybody needs to try it.
So what else are you excited about this issue?
Well, in this magazine we've got 6 features using the stamps, ranging from paper piecing, we've got a scrapbooking feature which is absolutely gorgeous, we've got cards for men, cards for kids, and a beautiful feature with perfect papers. We've also got some fantastic new products from Crafter's Companion, showcasing some really gorgeous fairies and unicorn stamps. We have a company called Unico with us this month, and they're sharing their bee stamps. We've got some beautiful contemporary cards from Bev. As well as that, we've got new releases from Woodware. That was me. I made some sunflower cards. And we've got Anne-Marie from Hunky Dory made some cards for us using the I Love My Bike stamp set from For the Love of Stamps, who made absolutely fantastic stamps as well. Baby cards, we've pretty much got everything covered. So lots and
wow,
lots
there
to keep
is
you busy.
so much, and I love that every issue is always full to the brim.
Absolutely.
With tips and techniques and news about upcoming releases and inspiration, and you have it all here in this issue. Now, if you haven't subscribed yet to Creative Stamping, that's okay. There is a fantastic offer going on right now for new subscribers. Can you tell us more about that?
It's great. It's a £35 voucher for CraftStash, so you can get yourself stocked up on all your stamping essentials, and they certainly have a huge selection.
And we will have the link for you to sign up and get all those details for how to take advantage of that offer. But there are a few more places. If you're quite not ready to subscribe to Creative Stamping, you can still get this individual issue, and you can get that at craftstash.co.uk, moremags.com.
You can get it in the usual supermarkets, and you can also get it in independent craft shops.
Well, thank you so much, Nikki, for joining me once more, getting us all summer ready.
Yeah, now it's time to go out and get some sunshine.
Yeah. So we will see you all next time. Thank you so much for watching.
Thanks. Bye.
Bye.